If you're looking to set up an online store, ShopWired could be one of the options to explore. But is it the best choice? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to set up an online store with ShopWired, but we're also going to give you a couple of alternatives that might be even better depending on your goals. Stick around till the end, and I'll also tell you how you can get an exclusive extended free trial and access to the best alternatives available. Let's jump into it. Setting up your store on ShopWired is relatively straightforward, but you'll want to understand the main features first. ShopWired is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that helps you create and manage your online store without needing to write any code. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to move your existing store to a new platform, ShopWired has a user-friendly interface to guide you through it. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for an account. It's free to start, and you can set up your store within minutes. You'll be prompted to choose your store's name, a URL, and select a subscription plan. ShopWired offers different plans, and while they're pretty competitive, you might find that the features vary significantly based on which plan you choose. More advanced plans unlock features like advanced shipping integrations, real-time analytics, and more. Next, the platform gives you the ability to design your store. ShopWired offers an intuitive drag-and-drop builder with customizable templates. These templates are optimized for different niches, but depending on your business, you might find that the options are somewhat limiting. While the templates are clean and functional, they don't offer the same depth of customization that some other e-commerce platforms like Shopify do. Next thing to focus on is adding your products. This part is pretty simple. You can add your products manually or import them in bulk. For each product, you can include descriptions, images, prices, and shipping details. However, ShopWired does lack some advanced inventory management features that larger platforms may offer. If you're planning to scale up your store with a large product catalog, you might find it less efficient than its competitors. Now, let's talk about payments and shipping. ShopWired integrates with major payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, making it easy to accept payments online. The platform also supports shipping integrations, allowing you to connect with services like Royal Mail, but again, you might find the options are somewhat limited when compared to bigger platforms. Next thing, SEO and marketing tools. ShopWired offers a range of built-in marketing tools, including email campaigns and discount codes, but it's nothing revolutionary. Compared to more established players like Shopify or BigCommerce, the marketing capabilities on ShopWired are more basic. The SEO features, while functional, aren't as comprehensive or customizable as you might find elsewhere. Now, the fourth thing, customer support. ShopWired provides email and live chat support, but it's worth noting that their customer service doesn't always provide instant resolutions to technical issues. This can be frustrating if you run into any problems that halt your sales. Competitors in the space tend to offer more robust customer service with better access to help. In terms of pricing, ShopWired is relatively affordable for smaller businesses, but as you grow, you may find that the platform becomes less suited to larger e-commerce needs. It's a good starting point, but if you're aiming to scale rapidly, it may not have the flexibility or advanced features you need. Now, to wrap it up, while ShopWired is a solid option for small to mid-sized stores, if you're looking for something with more scalability, flexibility, and advanced features right off the bat, platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce could serve you better. And if you want to dive deeper into these options, I've got some great recommendations, along with exclusive extended trials for you. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only for our viewers. Plus, I've added some top alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, so make sure you check those out too.